TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping.
Good morning. So for Christmas Eve, I've decided to move my office around. So I'm gonna pack up all of this chaos that's on my desk, and hopefully before Stefan has to leave for work, I can have him help me rotate said desk, and then I'll spend the rest of the day putting it all back together again. Kind of a dumb project for Christmas Eve, but I really can't handle the layout anymore. It was really starting to get on my nerves. Oh my God, my hair. Oh, the other thing, the winter storm came, and all we got was really, really cold temperatures, but I had a rough night, so I slept in. So I'm getting a really late start this morning as well. So I haven't even had my coffee yet, and it's like 9 something. So yeah, it's gonna be a day. Let's make it a day. Phase 1 has been completed, although I didn't get the computers quite where I wanted them. I still have to figure out logistics for getting my meeting camera in the right angle for a background, but more moving to come, and my little helpers here made things really great and fun for Dad and I today. Yep, she doesn't care. Okay. I think it's as organized as it's gonna get. I still have to do some organizing up there, but this is about as set up as I can get right now. I need to still organize the 2 computers, the dogs. This is as clean as I can possibly get over there. But yeah, I think this is a little bit better than it has been. Squeak, 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 squeak. So we'll have to see what I can do with that corner over there. That calendar is going to come down here because I can't really see it anymore. I'm probably going to push those 2 computers back in the corner a little bit more. But this is about as good as I can get for the time being. So a little bit less chaotic, but better. I feel a little less cluttered now that everything's done. And I did get that one accomplishment of having both keyboards in place. So I can just swap between the 2 keyboards as necessary. The mice are there, all my phones that I need for work, etc. are there. So yeah, this is somewhat better. I need to go through some of that clothing and maybe donate something, but I feel definitely less crazy. Just finished wrapping some more gifts, so I thought this would be the perfect time to light up this candle. It smells very Christmassy. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna say it's going for an evening or late afternoon walk because that has happened while I was working on cleaning my office. Yeah, fun times. It's totally shiny on that road. The family's all here. We're all gonna drink, right? Yeah? Christmas Eve. It's time for drinking. Because is like, yeah, open it up. I'm thirsty.
Silly doggy. Wine's not for dogs.
What?
All right.
Day 23.
She just wants to chew the cardboard. That's what she's about. Ah, why can't I push this in?
It's that good of wine. Like, you don't want this wine.
It's white. It's a Seaworth Sauvignon Blanc. Spanish again. Spanish white.
Majority of these were Spanish. I
Quite
like
a
the
few
label. The label's really pretty.
Yeah. We've had Portuguese, Italian, French, and Spanish. We even had one from like
All
Bulgaria. I think night one was from Bulgaria.
I
Yeah.
want to see if I can find, because we're in wine country here. I'm thinking I want to find a local Oregon winery calendar and see if that exists for next year. All right, today is day 23. Right? Yeah, 23. Oh my gosh. I'm just losing it. Oh, good. Stars. I'll go in her crate tonight when she has dinner. And 23 is right here. Dodge didn't bother. The whole thing's ripped open. And we got a stick for Big Bear. Excellent. Oh, it's heavy. Spa Ultimate Skin Pro Moisturizer. This is very heavy. I'm intrigued. Can't wait to try that out. Here we are at Gold the Bear. Awesome. I need the treat. It's been cold today. It'll be good to have with hot chocolate.
The only thing I'm missing is you.